Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is what I'm doing, taking some photos. I think you are doing that right. You have plenty of time to improve your skills of photography. What about the editing, right? Did you ever think to improve your skills in editing, photo editing? I mean, using properly edited photos, you can have a great gallery on Instagram. From that, you will have more followers, more impressions for every post that you make. So this is my Instagram page. You can see how much effort I put to edit these photos. Basically, I use number one editing app, that is Adobe Lightroom Mobile, for my preference to edit photos. I think a lot of you guys are using Lightroom Mobile, right? That's the number one app for the photo editing. So, did you saw the feature, curve feature? I mean, how many you guys use turn curve feature? I think not many people using that because it is hard to understand, right? So don't worry guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to use turn curve to make our photo look awesome, look great. So let's get started. So guys, I'm now here in my photo that I want to edit. This is turn curve tool only for editing this beautiful photo. This is beautiful, but I need to make it look great. So guys, I'm only using turn curve to show you how powerful this tool is, right? So I'm going to my curve options here. So previous video we talked about with the details how we're using each these colors for your editing and make the way that you want to do. So today I'm giving a perfect sunset photo using this photo, right? This is not exactly sunset looking photo, but let me try with this turn curve. Okay, first I go to the white color, and typically I use gray. And what about the bright areas? Let's see here. So I usually like to lower my midtones values to make it great. You can see that eventually it look great now. You should have proper patience for that to doing editing. That's a one thing you need to follow. Let's see what I can do with the shadow. This is shadow point. You can see. For now I'm satisfied. Like here, let's see. Okay. So the far away cloud areas get bright using white up those highlights. So this is good start. Let's go to red color. Okay, now red highlights areas. Let's give some reddish highlights into the picture. Okay, a little bit. Go towards magenta in the highlights. And also with mid-tone as well. I don't like to do big changes because when I do the changes in the tone curve, it will mess you up, so it will be unrealistic. So you need to make sure that your image don't get unrealistic. And now we go to the blue color. So blue is a powerful color. Let's see, blue and yellow. So that's a little bit yellow, you can have it. What about blue for highlights is good, right? Because if I use the highlight for the yellow, it's look like a all kind of movie, like using increasing the blue. It's just my mood. Now I'm talking about the mid-tone in the yellow. Let's see what can I come with that. Okay, I use R, G and B with the white, and this I have reached for now. So this is my first round, and this is the photo how it's look like. So previous one, and now it's like this. Previous one like this. And remember, I only use tone curve, no any color mixing, no any exposure or contrast or whatever the things that you usually use, only this curve thing. So now is my second round. Let's see. Boom. You need to have some time when you're doing things, because when you grabbing the things, when you have experience on that, you're getting good idea how to do it. So red color is coming to the picture now, but you can see that I'm only changing magenta, because now changing these color axes, you can see those color mixing is happening. Okay, good for now. You also need to check with the whole picture and make sure You didn't mess it up. So I think just another image in the white. Need to a little bit increase the mid-tone here. And also highlights as well. Let's see what I can do for the highlights, not shadows here. Let's see what I can do for the shadows. Okay, so I think we had a perfect looking image that we have made here. Compare with the previous one. Boom! That's the effect. That's the effect. So just done now and save it. Yeah guys, that's for today. So make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, share it, and follow my Instagram page isuru_ash, and see ya in the next video.